Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Joyful Noise. As in the last class we have discussed about the standing line, sleeping line and the alphabets which we write with the help of standing and sleeping line. So moving on, today we are going to cover the next thing, that is the third line, that is slanting line, and also we cover the alphabets which we write with the help of all the three lines that are standing, sleeping and slanting line. So let's start with the slanting line first. First of all, child requires to learn how to write a slanting line, how to draw a slanting line. There are two ways of drawing or writing a slanting line. First one is to write from right to left. Give these two dots in diagonally form from right to left. First way is from right to left and the other way is from left to right. Join the dots and see what it is. It is a slanting line. So there are two ways of drawing a slanting line. First is from right to left and the other is from left to right. We need to practice in both ways because there are some alphabets in which we require both types of slanting lines. So after practicing this in the 4-line notebook only, make sure every time I'm saying that, make sure child is practicing these things in 4-line notebook only. Really, it will help the child in the proper formation of the alphabets. So after that, we write the slanting line in two ways. We introduce the alphabets which we write with the help of standing, sleeping as well as slanting line. The first alphabet is capital A. As you all can see, there are two slanting lines, both types of slanting lines we used, and in between we use a sleeping line to make capital A. Next alphabet is capital K. One standing line and two slanting lines. Then capital M. Standing line, slanting line, again slanting line and again standing line. The next letter is capital N. Standing line, slanting line, standing line. Next is capital V. Two slanting lines. Then capital W. Slanting, slanting, slanting and slanting. All are slanting lines in W. Then X. Two slanting lines crossing each other. Then capital Y. Two slanting lines. And then capital Z. Sleeping line, slanting line and sleeping line. So these are the alphabets which we write with the help of standing, sleeping and slanting lines. Make the child practice these letters by giving dots also. It will help the child in the writing these capital letters. Like for N, you can give dots like this and join this. Then for V, you can give 3 dots like this, join this. Then for W, W has all the slanting lines. Then for X, X has 2 slanting lines crossing each other at this blue line. They are crossing each other at this blue line only. And for Z, like this. A child is required to practice these letters in the 4-line notebook only. So that's all for today's video. Let the child practice these alphabets to learn their proper formation. We will discuss about curves and the remaining alphabets in the next video. So stay tuned and please like, share and subscribe my channel if you like the video. See you soon. Bye.